Hello, it's Patrick, and welcome to another Cybertruck accessory review video. Today our good friends at Hansshow sent us another cool little accessory, this guy right here, and it is a Cybertruck center console USB charging hub 2.0, and it's got retractable USB-C. So you just kind of pull them out, and you tug on them, and they retract back in, and then you've also got your regular 110 volt AC pass-through. So this just plugs in the center console, and it passes through, and it also delivers DC power, so you get your USB-C cables, plug, and USB-A, and this will give you up to 35 watts of power, so it's enough to, get a decent charge on any kind of device that you plug into it, be it your phone or even your laptop. If you want higher speed charging, you want to plug that, the big AC adapter in to do over 100 watts of power to your MacBook or whatever, using the AC plug. It comes with adhesive tape, so you can peel that off and it'll stay put. Although it fits pretty well in my testing, so when I installed it, it kind of just sits right there. You don't really have to put the tape on there if you don't want to, although it is a little bit more secure if you do put the tape on there. I like how it fits. Like, it doesn't block drinks, and it doesn't seem to get in the way of any of your beverages. Looking down at it, you don't really see anything visually different other than there's some lights that you can turn on and off. You can cycle through, so you have lots of different colors that you can pick. I got blue ambient most of the time in my Cybertruck, so I can have it be blue, or you can have it red or purple or green or whatever color you want. You can cycle through, and it's kind of a neat little accent. The downside with using the AC outlet to power your USB devices, if you're charging with AC power, the way the Cybertruck works is it will disable the AC power inside when you're going in. It doesn't do in and out at the same time. So as long as you're just driving, it's great. If you're supercharging, it's great. But if you're plugging into a destination charger, there's that limitation. But other than that, I think it's great. I think I'm definitely going to use this thing all the time. It's way easier than trying to open up the center console and dig through and find an AC port. And then, the retractable cables are nice because you don't have loose cables hanging around everywhere. It retails for $159.99, but if you use our code TESLATRIP, then you will get 20% off. Thanks for watching this video. I really like this product. I would highly recommend it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks. Bye.
So this is our new power hub for the Cybertruck. It's super simple. It's just got one plug that you plug into the AC output on the Cybertruck. So if you set it to always power on when you get into the truck, your hub's always active. You can do the adhesive so it stays, semi-permanent. It fits into these grooves really well. So, it's not really going anywhere, even without the adhesive. But this gives you easy access to the 120 volt. You've got a regular USB type A, USB type C, and then you've got these cool retractable USB-C. You've got two of them, one for your driver and one for your passenger. So you just pull on them and they go back in. Pretty cool. And then there's lights up here, and you can cycle through them. So you can do green, red, purple, blue, and yeah, it looks pretty slick. It's also waterproof, so if you spill your drinks or whatever, you don't have to worry about it.